Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the Cartesian plane, which is named after the French mathematician René Descartes, who actually, explained the usage of this Cartesian plane and who actually formalized its use in mathematics. Right. So the Cartesian plane is made up of two perpendicular axes. One is x-axis and one is y-axis. So the horizontal axis that I'm drawing right now is the x-axis. I'll just name it AX, I guess. And the vertical one is the y-axis. These are perpendicular to each other, and this point over here is the origin, which is 0, comma 0. In the right hand side of this origin, we have got positive x points or positive horizontal points. Till infinity. In the left hand side, we have got negative x-axis points. On the top, we have got the positive y points or vertical points or y coordinates. In the bottom, we have again got negative y coordinates. Right. So this is called the first quadrant because you can see that the plane has been divided into quadrants. So first quadrant, then you've got the second quadrant, then you've got the third quadrant, and then the fourth one. In the first quadrant, both x-axis and y-axis have got the positive coordinates. In the second quadrant, you can see that the x is negative, so negative x-axis and positive y-axis. In the third quadrant, both x-axis and y-axis are negative, or the x coordinates and the y coordinates are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, we have got positive x-axis and negative y-axis. You should remember that this is an ordered pair depiction. So x comma y is an ordered pair. If you will interchange, the order will change and it is not allowed. An ordered pair cannot change its order. So x-axis will be plotted first. That is going to give you the horizontal point, and the y-axis is going to be plotted later. That is going to give you the y coordinate or the vertical point. Okay, so if I have to plot 1 comma 1, let's say, so both x and y are 1. This is the point that you will plot. Correct. Similarly, if you want to plot 2 comma minus 4, so the x point is 2, but the y point is minus 4, right? So I'll just take a different pen. So this is 2 and minus 4. Correct. This is how this Cartesian plane works. So what have I taught you in this video is that both x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular to each other. Second, this was invented by, or this was explored by the René Descartes, who was a French mathematician. Third, this is a Cartesian plane where we have got four quadrants because both x-axis and y-axis intersect to come up with the four quadrants. First, second, third, fourth, which are in anti-clockwise direction. In the first quadrant, both x and y axis are positive. So positive comma positive we have. Second quadrant mein x is negative but y is positive. Third quadrant mein we have both negative, and in the fourth quadrant we have got positive x axis but negative y axis. Correct. Then you will move on to plotting the points. So we will plot these points for you. One more thing to be careful about is you can say that the x-axis point is also called abscissa. So AB, SCISSA, it's called abscissa, and the y coordinate is also called the ordinate. Okay, so this is what you can call them. Now I will just plot 3 comma 5 a point. So 3 x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. So this vertical point is 5, horizontal point is 3. I'm sorry, 1 second. 3 is here. and 5 is here. So 3 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. This is A point. This is how you will locate the points. Then 1 comma minus 1 comma 4. So minus 1 on the y-axis, 4 on the minus 1 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis. This is another point B. So you can plot it this way. Next is C, 0 comma minus 3. So you can see that the x-axis is 0, y-axis is minus 3. So minus 3. Because there is no x point, so there is no horizontal movement. Then you've got minus 4 and minus 2. So minus 4 is on the x-axis, but we have got minus 2 on the y-axis. So somewhere here, D point. If you want, you can just do it this way. This is how a coordinate system looks like. 4 comma minus 2, 4 on the x-axis, minus 2 on the y-axis. So that is going to be somewhere here. That's it, guys. This is point number E. This is how you locate the points. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.